Okay, so problem 7, 3.2 exercise. Now draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 is 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is 0. So there are two graphs again. These two equations represents, will get a triangle when they cut each other and also cuts the x-axis, he says. That means triangle formed by these two lines and x-axis. So what we have to find out is the intersection point of these two, and when these lines, at what points these lines cuts the x-axis. Okay, so in order to form a triangle, we know that there should be three lines. So two lines are already is there, and one more line is x-axis. So first, very simple, see that where the intersection point of these two lines. So x minus y plus 1 is 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is 0. Okay, now just multiply the first equation with 3. Multiply the first equation, x minus y plus 1 is with 3, so this becomes 3x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. Just write the other equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is 0. This will become minus and plus, get cancels. Minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. This implies, simply if 5y is 15, if that goes, y is equal to 5 by 15 by 5, that is y is 3. Put this 3 in any one equations. So this will be x minus 3 plus 1 is 0, implies x is equal to 2. Therefore the point of intersection is 3, 2 comma 3. So therefore the point of intersection is 2 comma 3. That means they will intersect at 2 comma 3. Now the line, give first line, x minus y plus 1 cuts the x-axis. In which point? That we have to find out. To find out this, very simple, where it cuts, just you take only 2 points are sufficient, and remember that any 2 points are sufficient to draw a line. Okay, now just in such cases what you have to do is put x is equal to 0. When x is 0, we have to see. So when x is 0 means if I put x plus 0, 0 minus y plus 1, this implies y is equal to 1, that means y is 0. Put y 0. When I put y 0, when x will become, what will x become? We will get. So 0 minus y plus 1. So what is y? Y is 1. That means this will become 0 comma, when I just substituted, sorry, this I made mistake here, 1 minute. So this, so we have to put y0, no? So this is x minus, we are assuming y0. Here we assume x0, so therefore y we got 1. So when y is 0, we will get like this. So x plus 1 is 0, so x is equal to minus 1. This implies minus 1. So this line, where the line is given, where this line, the first line, x minus y plus 1, cuts the x-axis at minus 1 comma 0. This is x-axis, and y-axis at where it cuts 0 comma minus 1. Okay, x-axis what? Minus 1 comma 0, and y-axis 0, sorry, this one is plus 1, 0 1, right? So this is 0 1 y-axis. That means this cuts the y-axis at 0 comma 1, because on y-axis x is 0, cuts the x-axis at minus 1 comma 0, because x is 0 on, y is 0 on x-axis. Now next one is other line. What is other line is given? 3x plus other line is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is 0. In this is also same thing. Just we draw like this and see the minimum 2 points, x and y. When I put x 0, very simple, I'll get 3x plus, I'm sorry, when x is 0 means 3 into 0 0 plus 2y minus 12 is 0. So 2y is 12, y is 12 by 2, that is y is equal to 6 here. And similarly, when I put y0, means y0 on x-axis, where it cuts, this will become 3x plus 2 into y, 2 into 0 is 0, minus 12 is 0. So 3x is minus 12, so 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 3, 4. So that implies the points where it cuts y-axis is 0 comma 6, this is y-axis, and x-axis 4 comma 0, it cuts. Okay, now we will draw, with the help of these points we will draw the triangle. So very simple, this is y-axis, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So approximately it is not to the scale, but just roughly I'm drawing like this. Now so this point of intersection is, what is that, this point of intersection 2 comma 3, this is here, it cuts at 4 comma 0, and this is where it cuts, in this case is 0 comma 6, this is here minus 1 comma 0. So first line cuts at the x-axis at minus 1 comma 0, okay, and y is 0 comma 1. The second line cuts y-axis 0 comma 6 and the other point minus 4 comma 0, and this touch here. So now we formed, we have to just shade this now. So this is the required triangle. So this is the required triangle formed with the points minus 1 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 2 comma 3. So this is what he is asking. What he is asking, find the vertices. So determine the coordinates of the vertices. Means suppose if I call this A, B, C. If I call this as point A, this is B, this is C. So therefore this will be, these are the coordinates. What is A coordinate is 2 comma 3, B coordinate is minus 1 comma 0, C coordinate is 4 comma 0. This is the area formed by the triangle, the shaded region. Hope you understood. We'll stop here. That's what he's asking now. So draw the graph. We have drawn the graph, found out the coordinates of triangle, found out the coordinates A, B, C, and this is the shaded region. Hope you understood. So again just slip, I'll revise. So just first find out the where it cuts the x-axis and y-axis. By putting y0 we'll get where it cuts x-axis, put x0 where it cuts y-axis will get. Similarly the other line. So point of intersection find out by solving these two equations, we will get the point of intersection. So we can just draw the graphs and find out the shape of the triangle. We'll stop.